Leo. That should get you rolling again. See ya, Maya!
Lego citizens, our town thrives.
Mount Cinder remains dormant, a picturesque landmark.
Rest assured, Legoville is prepared. Mount Cinder poses no threat to our safety or prosperity. We will continue to thrive right here.
Our future is bright, secured by our resilient spirit and safe location.
Fascinating. A slight thermal anomaly, precisely where I'd hypothesize activity.
Professor, Mount Cinder has been shifting for centuries. No cause for alarm.
But the rate of change is unprecedented. We must consider the implications. It's hotter than anticipated, and far too quiet.
The seismic activity must have opened a new vent.
That's not just steam, Professor. It's lava. We have to warn the others. What is that light?
It's coming from the mountain!
We have to warn the others.
Citizens, this is not a drill. Evacuate immediately. Head towards the river bridge. Professor, it's happening so quietly. How could we miss it?
Its very silence is its deadliest weapon, Mayor. We must act decisively.
Everyone stay calm. Follow the path to the river bridge. We need to keep moving. The lava is spreading. Move quickly, but carefully. Don't worry, Leo. We're gonna get through this together. We just need to move quickly.
Okay, folks, let's move these bags. Sir, grab that end. Ma'am, help him with the other. Let's go!
Everyone, follow me! There's a narrow path by the old mill.
These new vents have changed the trajectory. The town square is now directly in the path.
By the stars, how is this possible? We have to warn everyone.
Keep moving, everyone. Don't look back. We're almost to the bridge. Hurry! It's getting closer. Run! safe now, Leo. That's what matters. We'll rebuild. Hold my hand, Leo. We're almost to the others.
Are we going to be okay?
Look, they're safe.
Remarkable. The geological data will be invaluable once the immediate crisis passes.
Head towards the designated assembly area on the hill, Mayor. It is the safest location according to my calculations. Silent force, a potent reminder of nature's quiet, relentless power. We will remember this day.